Let's take a look at our templates under the Fortify module. Let's navigate to Fortify. Once under Fortify, let's click on our Templates tab. Under this menu, we can create our own templates. To do this, simply click on New Templates under the green button. Now we need to give our template a name. I'm going to create a template for all of my base level security policies. This will be my bare minimum security policy that applies to all of my customers. Now let's pick the controls that we want for our base level security. Well, I know that I want multi-factor authentication for all administrative roles. Check that and click Add Selected. Let's also pick another one, but I want to make sure that this is going to apply to pretty much everybody. So I want to filter by minimum licenses, and I'm going to select the Azure Active Directory free. So these few controls here can be applied no matter what license level they're at. Let's go ahead and also block legacy authentication, ensure my password sync is enabled for hybrid environments, and ensure passwords never expire. Keep in mind that this is strictly for tutorial purposes. These are not best practices or recommendations. Once we have this selected, the last things that we need to do is to add a tag to this template. You can add as many tags as you want, but you do have to pick at least one. Let's go ahead and manage tags. We don't have any set up. I'm going to create a new tag. I'm going to give this tag a baseline. All right, now that we've added our tags, let's go ahead and close this slide out, and let's select the tags that we want to use. This is for baselining and also minimums. Now let's save this template. Once we've clicked save, we can see that it has saved successfully. Let's go back to templates. Now back under our templates tab, we have our very first template created. Now we need to apply the template to an organization. You can do this one of two ways. The first way is you can go to Dashboard, select the organization that you want to apply it to by clicking the Modify Templates button, and then clicking on them and clicking Add. But there's a much faster way of doing this. If we go back to our templates and we click on the Modify Organizations button on the far right, we can select the organizations in this list to which we want to apply the template. I'm going to select everybody, and I'm going to click Add to Selected. Now I'm going to confirm that I want to apply this. If I close that slide out, we can now see that my very first template has a couple of organizations that it applies to. We can also see the same information under Dashboard. These templates are applied every 24 hours. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our support department, support@saasalerts.com.